are going to learn a very important concept, inverse function. By the end of this video, you will understand what is an inverse function is, how to find an inverse, and how to verify an inverse. So let's see inverse. First talk about what is the word inverse means. Inverse simply means undoing something. Example, if a function f multiply by 3 and its reverse will divide by 3. So now you can easily understand inverse is basically reverse the operation of the original function. Formally, if fx is equals to y, then f inverse y is equals to x. A function and its inverse undo each other. Or we can write f of f inverse x is equals to x and f inverse of fx is equals to x. I hope now you can understand. Let's see how we can find an inverse of any function. So to find the inverse of the any function, we will follow some steps. So let's see steps to find the inverse. First of all, write the function as y is equals to fx. Then swap x and y. Interchange x and y. In place of x, you will write y. In place of y, you will write x. Third step is solve for y. And fourth is replace y with f inverse x. So let's do an example. First example is the function is given fx is equals to 2x plus 5 and we have to find the inverse of this function. So to find the inverse of this function, we will follow these rules. First step is write the function as y is equals to fx. Okay, I'm writing. Now, second step, swap x and y. Means in place of y, I will write x. In place of x, I will write y. Third step, solve for y. You have to find the value of y. So let's solve this equation. So subtract both sides 5. So x minus 5 is equals to 2y is remaining. Now divide both sides by 2. So y is equals to x minus 5 by 2 is your value of y. Now fourth step is replace y with f inverse x. So I'm writing f inverse x is equals to x minus 5 by 2. This is your answer. Very easy. Let's move ahead. Take the next example, quadratic function. So find the inverse of fx is equals to x square. But the condition is domain is x is greater than equals to 0. You can't take the value of x 0. Explain why we need domain restriction, because a function must be one-to-one. Okay? Note this line. A function must be one-to-one. In next video, we will see how we can verify a function is one-to-one, many-to-one, one-to-many, bijective, surjective, injective. But this topic is not including in this video. We are focusing only to find the inverse of the any function. But always remember, to find the inverse of the any function or quadratic function, the function must be 1 to 1. So we will follow the same step as we follow the previous one. So step 1 is write the equation as y is equals to fx. So y is equals to x square I am writing. Second step is swap x and y. Swap x and y. So x is equals to y square. You will write. In place of y, I am writing x. In place of x square, I am writing y. Now solve for y. So to solve for y, what you will do? So y square is equals to x is given. You have to find the value of y. So it will be square root of x. So y is equals to square root of x. Since original domain was x is greater than equals to 0, we choose only the positive root. Okay. So the inverse will be, now the fourth step is replace y with f inverse x. F inverse x is equals to root x. This is your inverse of the function. Let's check how to verify an function. Let's check whether two functions are truly inverse. We must check the condition 1. F inverse x is equals to x, and condition 2, F inverse of fx is equals to x. Example, suppose we have one function fx is equals to 2x plus 5. So f inverse would be x minus 5 by 2. So let's check the first condition. In the first condition, this condition should be equals to x. In the second condition, this condition equals to x. So I'm checking the first condition. F of f inverse x is equals to 2. Then f inverse x you have to write in this equation. So in place of x you will write the x value. So 2 times x minus 5 by 2 plus 5. After solving this, you will get your answer only x. Similarly, check the second condition. F inverse f of x is equals to 2x plus 5 minus 5 over 2, that is equals to positive x. Here, what is the value of fx? Fx value is 2x plus 5. So you are writing 2x5 in the f inverse equation. And f inverse is equals to, what was that? We already find this, x minus 5 by 2. So in place of x, I am writing 2x plus 5. I hope now you can understood all these concepts. And in the first condition, what is the value of f inverse x? F inverse x is x minus 5 by 2, and we are putting this value in the first equation. So 2 times, in place of x, I am writing x minus 5 by 2 plus 5. So we can say that a function and its inverse are mirror image, or we can say that inverse is the function that converts the function into reverse form. So, and that's it for today. And you learned what is an inverse function is, how to find the inverse using step, and how to verify an inverse. Inverse functions are very important in grade 11th, especially when you move to the logarithm and exponential function. If you found this video helpful, then like and share and subscribe. See you in the next class.